or this grape makes big red wine. Hey, welcome back. Day 12 of the 2024 Wine Advent Calendar, and we're going to Greece today. We're talking about the Xinomavro grape. So this is a big red grape, or this grape makes big red wines, medium to full-bodied wines, kind of high in tannins and high in acid as well. Flavor profile, a combination of red and black. So think cherries and raspberries, plums, and you can get some baking spice, allspice type notes in the wines, which make them really, actually pretty neat. Not so well distributed. The Xinomavro wines, mainly from Greece, best known in Naousa, and if you see one on a shelf, I think you should pick it up, right? Especially if you enjoy like a Cabernet Sauvignon, like most of us do. The one wine to highlight is the Alpha Estate Xinomavro Hedgehog. Hedgehog from Greece. So I think that's a really good one to start with. I'm familiar in Alpha Estate. I think it has fairly well distribution. If anything is going to be distributed widely, it'll be something from Alpha Estate. So hope you get out to Greece in this Christmas season. Go try some Xinomavro. I'll see you guys tomorrow.